It's competition season, and you forgot to practice your perfect ballet bun. Here's an exact how-to right here on the Beginner Dance Mom Guide. Hi, I'm Jazzy, and this is
Gigi!
And this is the Beginner Dance Mom Guide. Gigi is 5. Not only am I her dance mom, I'm also a dance teacher, so I know a little bit about a lot of things. Today, we'll be showing you how to make a perfect ballet bun. Let's go. Okay, so with a perfect ballet bun, the key is moisture. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that it's damp, not wet. If it is too wet, then your bun will be very sticky and hard to manage. So you just want to dampen the ends of the hair and the very front where the flyaways happen.
There you go.
Afterwards, we make sure that our hair is nice and smooth, free of tangles, and we are going to get ready to apply our hair gel. Yes, hair gel. It is not a bad thing. I like to use Gorilla Snot. It is the only thing that works for me and my little one. Tresemme is pretty good for other hair types, but I find this one holds the best and the longest. So I put most of it at the top and work the rest to the ends so that the braid stays in a nice hold. We don't want flyaways in the braid either. In a ballet bun, we're going to try and get it to the middle of the head. We don't want it too high and we don't want it too low. Next, we're going to apply our hair tie. If you feel like you are wrapping it too tight, like you might be pulling your baby's hair, you are. So I try and keep it only at 3. If you feel like you still have a little more space to go, you can go for 1 more, but please listen to your dancer. Because the worst thing is having a headache smile on the stage. It kind of makes them look like they need to poop. Next, we're going to braid the pony, moving as fast as we can so that our hair does not lose moisture, but we're also not going to go too fast where the hair starts to tangle and bump. At the end of our braid, we are going to put a small rubber band. You don't want to put a large hair tie because you won't be able to tuck the end of the hair. We put a small rubber band and we begin to wrap, tucking the rubber band underneath and into our bun. This is the part where it gets a little bit tricky, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the whole thing. First of all, this is a bobby pin. This is what we need to secure the bun. This is a hairpin. This does absolutely nothing but hold hair nets. Don't use this for your bun. We're going to take 4 bobby pins and we're going to make sure that the wavy side is facing the scalp. We're going to push them down in a square around the braid. Don't try and go with the grain of the hair because they will slide right out. Go across the top and down on the sides. Head down, please. And then again across the bottom. After you've secured your bun, you're going to put in your hairnet. Your hairnet wraps only 1 time. After that, you twist and secure. The point of it is to look invisible. If you wrap it too many times around the bun, you will see it and it will give you cafeteria lady vibes. Yucky. I am going to use the hairpin to pin down the rest of this hairnet down into the bun. And that is how you make a perfect ballerina bun. If you found this information useful, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Bye!